Hello folks, this is Chris. You will have seen him on my channel before, and we've got Chris happens to grow these, which I'm going to use to cook tonight, and that is what they call
Scorpion peppers.
the scorpion pepper. And these held the record for, you can see that little point on the end that tells you it's vicious. That's why they call it scorpion pepper. These held the record until recently for the hottest pepper on the planet, grown in Trinidad. Only recently been surpassed. Some horrendous number on the Scoville scale. I'm going to look that up. But we're going to take a chance. Chris has grown these, so I'm going to use them in cooking. He's also grown a whole bunch of other stuff. He's been to the garden and cooked some things, picked some things. He's picked what they call bygone locally, aubergine, whopping great things. These are normal sweet peppers. These are the scorpion peppers. I'm even afraid to cut those open. This is something called chenet, isn't it? Yeah. Is this chenet? Which is a kind of a fruit. We also dug up some yam.
Cassava.
Sorry, cassava. And I'm going to cook it today using the bamboo method. So stay tuned. So I've taken the skin off the chicken, put in some clove, some garlic and parsley, some onion powder, some curry powder, some of Chris's sweet pepper, some of these dangerous items, and some coconut milk that I'm going to get out of this coconut. Yeah, which looks a bit gnarled and grisly, but it's good. Chris is going to open that for me. And did I mention some salt? I think I did. And some of the cassava that we just dug up. There it is. Recipe all highly experimental. Chris is going to open the coconut for me without losing the milk. It's leaking. Oh, doesn't look very delicious, does it?
Oh, it already started shoot out of bread. See this? This is what they call the coconut bread.
Go on and eat it. Eat it.
Right.
Very oily. Full of the fats, isn't it? From the coconut. I've got it. And put it in the cooking. In there. And Josh has brought some Sahari leaf.
Yep.
Mmm. I didn't have a grater, so cut the coconut up into just small slivers. I'm going to steam that with it. I'm going to add a little bit of coconut powder as well. Well, it's a bit experimental, but how can it fail to be delicious with so many delicious ingredients? arrived late today, losing the light completely, so let the lads pitch in tent and pull my little operation here into under the lean-to lights here, so we've got a bit of light to do what we're doing, just so I can show you what I'm going to put on the campfire with some decent light. So I'm going to load up my pieces of bamboo, my chicken, seasoned up chicken, and cassava, and pepper, and hot pepper, and then I'm going to bung the end up with one of these Sahari leaves to bring the pressure up and kind of try and pressure cook it in the bamboo. And now it's time to load the bamboo cannon. First, the gunpowder. Then some wadding, a bit of chicken. Now's the time you realise that you must cut every piece of chicken to fit down the ball. A bit of cassava, a bit more sweet pepper. Cassava. Pepper. A bit more chicken. Leaving a bit of space at the top for a bit of wadding. Drop of water. Just kind of move things over so that it drains down. That's what your ramrod's for. I think we can even stand a bit more water. Right, now we're talking. About a cupful each one. And now to make the bit of wadding. Everybody around here thinks I'm nuts. I know it. And then you jam your bit of wadding in the end. And that's number 2. Number 1 and number 2 ready for the fire. There it is, now we wait. You still it racking the fire upside down, huh? The plug's still in it, and it's still steaming, but it was upside down. There's a bit of bamboo, charred and burnt on the bottom, just a bit of leaf. look. Definitely cooked. Let's see what we got. Better make sure there's none left down the barrel. Okay, that's number one. It still did have a little bit of liquid in it. The other one that we've got fell over in the fire, so wow, that smells good. Hot though. It's still on fire. It won't come out the barrel. It's like lucky dip, isn't it? You don't know what you're going to get. Well, look at that. Look. It's actually, that bit of chicken has browned off, so I think this lost the liquid because it went upside down. A bit further. Mm. Close up, steamy bit. Try a bit. Hot. Told you. Can you taste the bamboo? No? Let's try a bit of this cassava that we think might be good.